Hi everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we'll be using watercolors to paint a leaf. So let's get started. So I've done a very light drawing of a leaf and the first coat will be of lemon yellow. So in the first coat we'll take more of water, less of the color. And I advise you to keep the drawing light as possible so we get a realistic effect and the pencil marks are not seen. Now after the yellow layer is semi-dry, we apply sap green, direct sap green. So I'm applying green in the areas where I require green. Use the brush very softly for a nice effect. So we finish with the left side and then we go on to the right. So all the layers will be visible and we get a really nice effect. So here in the same way I'm done with the right side. Now, after this layer is semi-dry again, we apply a darker coat of green. So for this darker coat of green, I have taken sap green, mixed a little bit of cobalt blue and I've applied here. So now when we apply this layer, we must use less water. Since our first two layers had a good quantity of water used, this will require less. I'll just do the edges properly. And yes, let's move on to the right side. So yes, our green is coming out really beautiful. So here I've used a Chitrapat sheet of A5 size. Watercolors come out really well on Chitrapat. So we're done with this coat. Just do the stem. Now a little bit more dark coat of green again. So here green and cobalt blue mixed together, more of cobalt blue here in this layer since we want a darker shade. So I am filling in the parts where I require a darker shade of the green. This I am doing using a thin brush, that's 000 size. So this is a very easy technique, just 3 colors and it comes out really well. So in the areas where you want more details, use a thinner brush, so it's really easy. We just need to remember that we go layer by layer and we apply colors at the right time. That's very important. Yes, I'm just merging over here. So whenever we need to merge, apply the color, take a clean wet brush and just merge it. So yeah, we completed the right side right now. So I'm just doing the details over here. Just carefully. Our leaf is just coming out so beautifully, right? Here again I require a darker shade, so I've applied a darker tone over here. And yes, to our stem, let's make it also look beautiful. Just have a look at our leaf. It's so beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.